Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edwin Collins, 2910. Back with another video. And wanna know what I got today? Yeah. Yeah, right here. It's a new Airmattress. It even has a cord to it. There's an airlock. Yeah. I'm gonna be unboxing this and blowing this up. Yeah. And you're looking on top. 64171WD, I think. Well, I don't know. I'll just say 64171 WD, 15 in height. Let's look at the bottom. The scanning thing right here, on top right here. 64171 WD, AP61990D. Yeah. Alright. Anyways, on to the video. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I brought a knife here so I can cut this thing. Let's go ahead and open. Alright. So yeah, this is what it comes in. You see there's a bag in here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. Alright. Just go in there. I don't even care. It even comes with a warning and a danger. I already know. So. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Right here. Here's the switch. So turning it to the right will inflate, and turning it to the left, it will deflate. That's how it will go. Let's go ahead and unroll this thing. Unroll this bad boy. Yeah, it says Intex. Even comes with this thing in here. Have your logo cord. I'm not gonna even unwrap this thing. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. This is a bag for the air mattress. I'll show you. I'm gonna open the entire thing. As you see, there's nothing in there. Alright. Let me close this thing up. I know how to do what I did last time. Let's just close the thing right. Just want to see open. I don't even care at this point. Let's go and plug this in. Alright, plugged in. Alright, now that it's plugged in, let's see what it sounds like. We'll go blow it up, and here we go. Yeah, it's taking some time to blow up. I always do that. Every Airmattress does one. Oh yeah, as you see right there, we left that cord there. I don't want to. I'm not gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna just unplug it. This sound is not the good sleepiness. Yeah, I like this bed so much, bro. It's even comfy. Store Intex. I like Intex. Coming from this thing, I don't really care. Okay, that'll be for this one. I just want to show you guys an unboxing video and blowing this up at the same time. So hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on post notifications. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.